Here we have this cute little 4-cylinder Rotax 912 engine, and for size comparison, there's a cell phone. And you can see it's a cute little engine. It produces about 100 horsepower. And here, however, we have a venerable classic of the aviation engine industry, the Lycoming IO 540, producing between 230 and 350 horsepower. There again, the cell phone for size comparison. You can practically lose the entire cell phone in this engine. This then, the one that produces the bigger whee factor. Ah, it's a marvelous thing, this.